As we age, it's completely normal to notice changes in our body. One of the most common, and often most frustrating, is losing muscle strength. In fact, after the age of 65, many people start to experience a condition called sarcopenia, which is simply the gradual loss of muscle mass. This can affect balance, mobility, and independence. But here's the good news. You can fight back, and it starts with the right nutrition. Today, we're going to talk about something delicious that can help. Cheese. Yes, you heard right. Certain types of cheese are packed with high-quality protein, calcium, and other nutrients that can help seniors rebuild muscle, stay strong, and feel more energetic. And in this video, I'll share 3 specific cheeses that are backed by science for their muscle-supporting benefits. I'll also explain why they work, and give you easy, practical ways to add them to your meals. Before we jump into the list, let's quickly understand why protein, especially from dairy, is so important for seniors. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at turning protein into muscle. That means we need a little more protein than we did in our younger years to get the same effect. Cheese offers a convenient way to do this. It's rich in complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your muscles need for repair and growth. It also contains calcium and phosphorus for bone strength, plus healthy fats for energy. And since cheese is flavorful, it can help stimulate appetite, which is a bonus if you struggle to eat enough. First on our list is cottage cheese, and it's a classic for a reason. Cottage cheese is high in a protein called casein, which digests slowly. This means your muscles get a steady supply of amino acids over several hours, perfect for repair and maintenance. For seniors, this slow release can be especially helpful if you have fewer meals in a day. A half-cup serving of low-fat cottage cheese contains about 14 grams of protein, with very little fat and around 8,100 calories, making it a nutrient-dense option that won't feel too heavy. Cottage cheese is also a good source of vitamin B12, important for nerve function and energy production, and selenium, which supports immunity. Mix with fresh fruit like peaches or berries for a sweet snack. Combine with chopped cucumber and herbs for a refreshing side. Spread on whole grain toast for a quick breakfast. Add a scoop to scrambled eggs for an extra protein boost. And here's a tip. Eating cottage cheese before bedtime can help with overnight muscle recovery, thanks to that slow-digesting casein. Next, we have Parmesan cheese. Not just a topping for pasta, but a concentrated source of muscle-building nutrition. Parmesan is one of the highest protein cheeses, with 10 grams of protein per ounce. It's also packed with calcium, almost 330 milligrams per ounce, which supports both muscle contraction and bone health. Parmesan is aged, meaning it has very little lactose, so it's usually well tolerated by people who are sensitive to dairy. It's also rich in phosphorus, zinc, and vitamin A. These nutrients work together to keep your muscles functioning, your bones strong, and your immune system active. Sprinkle over roasted vegetables to make them more appealing. Add to soups for extra flavor and nutrition. Mix into whole grain pasta or brown rice for a richer taste. Make Parmesan crisps in the oven as a crunchy, high-protein snack. Because Parmesan is so flavorful, you only need a small amount to get big benefits, which makes it great if you're watching your calorie intake. Finally, let's talk about Swiss cheese. Known for its distinctive holes and mild, nutty flavor, Swiss cheese offers a great balance of protein, healthy fats, and essential minerals. A single slice of Swiss contains about 8 grams of protein and is particularly rich in calcium and phosphorus. It also contains vitamin B12 and riboflavin, both important for energy metabolism, helping your body use food for fuel efficiently. Swiss cheese also has lower sodium compared to many other cheeses, which is a plus for seniors monitoring their blood pressure. How to enjoy it? Melt on a turkey or chicken sandwich for a satisfying lunch. Pair with apple slices for a sweet, savory snack. Add to an omelet with spinach and mushrooms for a protein-rich breakfast. Enjoy with whole grain crackers as part of a light evening meal. While these 3 cheeses are excellent choices, remember, they work best when paired with a balanced diet and regular strength-building activities like lightweight training, resistance bands, or even simple chair exercises. Aim to include some form of protein at every meal, and try to stay consistent. Your muscles respond best when they're nourished and used regularly. So next time you're at the store, consider picking up cottage cheese, Parmesan, or Swiss. Not only are they delicious, but they can also be part of your strategy to maintain strength, mobility, and independence for years to come. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more science-backed tips on staying healthy after 65, and let me know in the comments, which cheese will you be trying first?